So you click that join button to find out what this is all about. It's channel memberships, and whether Vigilante, Crusader, or Dark Knight, there's some great perks coming. Besides the custom badges, pepper badges that will appear next to your name and comments. We have the custom emojis you can use for live streams and premieres. And the perks will get better as we go along. Tier 1 is shout outs on channels, live streams, and videos. You can also have access to panel if you want to showcase anything you got going, whether a product or just your channel. And also tier 2, we have one pepper variety per month. You stick with us, going out to you from Pepper Donkey. And discount on merchandise, whether it's Make It Wayne or PLC merch on Teespring. There will be huge discounts and free stuff coming your way. I'll just throw out the perks out there as we go along. The longer you stick with the channel, supporting us, helping us make more and better videos, we'll just throw them out there. So I'm very excited you considered. Hope to see you soon.